Welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson, and today I want to make this very brief video. It's going to be brief, but it's going to be very precise to show you how you can actually transfer your funds from your spot wallet to your P2P wallet. Okay, so what we'll do is you click on this particular you come down here and you click on this icon that says wallet. When you click on it, it brings you to this interface, right? You can see for the purpose of this video we have just $5 in our spot wallet on USDT. You can see here USDT, right? Now we are going to transfer this $5 from our spot wallet to our P2P wallet. Okay, let me show you something. You can see on my P2P wallet here, if I click on it, currently I have just $2.34 on my P2P wallet here. Okay, so now let me go back to the spot wallets, and on the spot wallet I have $5 or $4.99 here. Okay, so I'm going to transfer it to my P2P wallet. So I'll click on transfer here. Okay, so when I click on transfer, you can see it's showing me from spot wallet to P2P, right? But remember, we are not transferring BTC, we are transferring USDT. So I'm going to click on this icon to change it. So when I click on it, you can see different coins, different denominations here, but I'm going to click on USDT because we are transferring USDT. Okay, then I'm going to come here and click on max. But in your own case, if you are not transferring everything, you can actually type the amount of fund you want to transfer. It could be 20, okay, it could be 30, 100, as the case may be. But in my own case here, I have just $5 in this account, and I'm going to transfer the $5. Okay, so after clicking on max, then I'll just click on transfer. So you see, it says you have successfully transferred your assets to your P2P wallet. Start trading now. So let me just go back to my P2P now. I come down here and I click on this P2P. You can see we now have the $5 plus the $2 that was here is now $7.35. So we have successfully transferred our fund from our spot wallet to our P2P wallet. Okay, now if you got value from this video, I want you to help me by subscribing to this channel, like this video so that so many other persons will also get to learn from it, and also remember to click on that bell button. It's a notification button, so that when next I post a video, you also get to see it. I say this with all confidence. If you go through my channel, you get to see a lot of useful videos on how you can navigate the Binance platform and how you can also trade on crypto and all that. So I will really appreciate your subscription. Thank you, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.